Norfolk sky so wide. Anglia Square stands side by side, bricks and concrete weathered gray. 1,000 stories in decay. Through the years we laughed and cried, shops and markets, lives entwined. Neon flickers, voices call, memories echo down the hall. Oh, Anglia Square, our concrete heart, fading now, but still a part of every soul who walked your way. We won't forget, though time won't stay. The cinema with sticky seats, arcades humming, busy streets, shoppers wandering through the maze. Lost in time, those golden days. Now they say you've had your time, glass and steel will rise and shine. Yet in the past you'll always be a piece of old Norwich, wild and free. Oh, Anglia Square, our concrete heart, fading now, but still a part of every soul who walked your way. We won't forget, though time won't stay. So here's to you, through dust and years, through all the change, through joys and fears. Anglia Square, though you must fall, in our hearts you'll stand tall. So here's to you, through dust and years, through all the change, through joys and fears.